Ekuirwo eri aria nio Harun Ndirangu wa ukuru wa miaka 42 na Lucy Wambui wa ukuru wa miaka 27 maraikirio ngono ni borithi barabara-ini ya Naikuru guthie Nyahururu thutha wa muingi kuma itura ria Kiamaina kuhura riboti kuri maabithaa borithi. Borithi ni marayukirie micinga iria Ekuirwo aya makoretwo makihuthira kwagagia ahuri biacara mihango-ini ya wuici.
Suspects, a man and a woman, were arrested and are in custody. And the two weapons, which include one AK-47 with 15 rounds of ammunition, and one Seska pistol loaded with one round of ammunition, which was earlier robbed from a businessman who is a civilian firearm holder, were covered.
Uhoro uyu ni wikiritwo mukode ni OCPD wa Naikuru ya Rugongo Edward Wafula uria ugite makoretwo magiethana na Ndirangu thutha wa riboti cia kumukuruhania na ciiko cia wikinai kuhurwo ceceni-ini ya borithi gwa kahinda karaihu.
That a suspect that has been who has committed a series of robberies within Nakuru County, like Njoro, Salikaini, Rongai sub-county, where somebody was killed, Kiamaina in Nakuru town, where 2 people were killed, robbery in Lanet, where 1 person was injured, was shot but survived. Karunga in Nakuru North, where also 1 person was shot but survived with injuries.
Wafula ni oritie muingi guthi na mbere na kunyitanira maabithaa a borithi niguo kuhurana na ciiko cia wikinai oro undu umwe na kugacirithia ugitiri kaunti-ini iyo. Ngiribotera Kameme TV, njitagwo Wanjiku wa Waweru.